Welcome to today's video where we will teach you how to make your WhatsApp messages private and invisible using simple coding techniques. If you want to protect your privacy and ensure that your messages remain confidential, this is the right video for you. In this video, you will learn various methods to hide your WhatsApp messages, how to use special codes to conceal your messages, tips and tricks to enhance the security of your messages. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. How to make your WhatsApp messages private. 1. Select Messages. Choose the messages you want to make private. 2. Access Options. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. 3. Lock Chat. Select Lock Chat from the menu. 4. Set Password. Enter your phone's password to secure the chat. Additional steps. 1. Access locked chats. Tap on Locked Chats in the menu. 2. Chat Lock Settings. Tap on the three dots again and select Chat Lock Settings. 3. Hide Locked Chats. Choose the option to hide locked chats. Create Secret Code. 1. Create secret code. Enter your secret code. 2. Confirm code. Confirm the code to secure your hidden chats. Following these steps will help you keep your WhatsApp messages private and secure.